Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 3rd November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. As per this is our previous day questions. We have to answer it first. Okay, our first question was, which state has launched Dharani portal? Telangana, Odisha, West Bengal, or option D, Kerala? The correct answer here is option A, Telangana. Recently, the Telangana's Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao has launched the web portal named Dharani for the land and property registration. Remember, the name of the portal is Dharani portal and it is for the land and property registration. Okay, our second question was, which state is the best governed state in the country? Maharashtra, Goa, Kerala, or option D, Odisha? The correct answer here is option C, Kerala. Kerala has been named the best governed state in the country, while Uttar Pradesh is in the bottom in the list released by Public Affairs Center. Remember, this report is released by Public Affairs Center, PAC. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Kerala is in news. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan and Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor of Kerala. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, who has got the title sponsorship of Women T20 Challenge 2020? Okay, On Academy, Jio, Byju's, or option D, Tata? The correct answer here is recently option B, Jio. The BCCI Board of Control for Cricket in India, the BCCI has announced Jio as the title sponsor of the 2020 edition of the Women's T20 Challenge. Okay, BCCI is in news. The headquarters of the BCCI is situated in Mumbai. BCCI is established in 1928 and the president of BCCI recently is the former Indian captain Sourav Ganguly. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question, who has launched Surf Power scheme to support women's science? Narendra Modi, Harshvardhan, Amit Shah, option D, Prakash Javadekar? The correct answer here is option B, Dr. Harshvardhan. Recently, the Union Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Harshvardhan, has launched the Surf Power scheme. Remember the name of the scheme, it is Surf Power scheme, aimed to encourage and support the emerging and the women researchers. Okay, the abbreviation of the Surf Power is, listen, Science and Engineering Research Board, promoting opportunity for women in exploratory research. Okay, you can see the image of the Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan here. Okay, next question, who has inaugurated Arogya Van in Gujarat's Narmada district? Narendra Modi, Nitin Gadkari, Prakash Javadekar, or option D, Dharmendra Pradhan? The answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently inaugurated the Arogya Van in the Narmada district of the Gujarat. Arogya Van is set up in 17 acre of land in Kevadia for spreading awareness on yoga, Ayurveda and meditation. Okay, you can see here the image of Prime Minister Narendra Modi launching the Arogya Van project. Okay, next question, who has successfully test fired BrahMos missile from Sukhoi 30 MKI? Indian Army, IAF, Ministry of Home Affairs, option D, none of these? The correct answer here is IAF. Recently, Indian Air Force successfully test fired an air-launched version of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from a Sukhoi fighter aircraft in the Bay of Bengal. Name of the Sukhoi fighter, remember Sukhoi 30 MKI is the name of the fighter aircraft. Okay, and it is test fire in Bay of Bengal. Okay, you can see here the image of Sukhoi and the BrahMos test fired. And the chief of IAF, Indian Air Force, is RKS Bhadoria. RKS Bhadoria is the chief air marshal of IAF. Okay, next question. Who has or have won gold medal at the Alexis Vastin International? Amit Panghal, Sanjit, Ashish Kumar, or option D, all of these? Answer here is option D, all of these. The Indian boxers, these are the Indian boxers. Okay, Indian boxers Amit Panghal, Sanjit, and Ashish Kumar have won gold medal at the recently concluded Alexis Valentine International Boxing Tournament held in Nantes, France. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. Who has been selected for Juthachan Puraskaram 2020? Paul Jakaria, Chetan Bhagat, Ravinder Singh, option D, none of these. The answer here is Paul Jakaria. Recently, veteran Malayalam writer Paul Jakaria has been selected for this year's Juthachan Puraskaram, the Kerala government highest literacy honor. Okay, it is this award is the Kerala's government highest literacy honor. You can see here the image of Paul Jakaria. Okay, recently got this prestigious Kerala's prestigious literacy award. Next question. Which state celebrated Kannada Rajyotsava on 1st November 2020? West Bengal, Karnataka, Odisha, or option D, Bihar? The correct answer here is option B, Karnataka. Recently, Karnataka celebrated Kannada Rajyotsava on 1st November 2020. Okay, Karnataka is in news. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Chief Minister of Karnataka is B.S. Yedurappa, and Vajubhai Vala is the governor of Karnataka. Okay. Next question. Who has won Emilia Romagna Grand Prix? Who has won Emilia Romagna Grand Prix? Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen, Valtteri Bottas, or option D, none of these? The answer here is option A, Lewis Hamilton. Recently, Lewis Hamilton won the seventh world title with a victory in the Emilia Romagna Grand Prix 2020. You can see here the image of Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton is the driver of Mercedes company. Okay. Next question. When Andhra Pradesh Formation Day is observed? 30 September, 31st September, 1st November, or option D, 2nd November? The correct answer here is 1st November. Option C is correct here. On November 1st, Andhra Pradesh Formation Day was observed. Also, the 66th Liberation Day of the Puducherry also observed in 1st November. Remember, also the 66th Liberation Day also observed in 1st November. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Who has won his 5th ATP title of the season on 1st November 2020? Andre Rublev, Novak Djokovic, Lorenzo Shevchenko, option D, none of these. The answer here is Andre Rublev. Option A is correct here. Recently, Andre Rublev won his 5th ATP title of the season on 1st November 2020, beating the Lorenzo Shevchenko. Okay, at the STA Bank Open. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, our first question is, which country leads the world in plastic waste creation? Our second question is, who is appointed as chairman of FIFS? Okay, please try to answer more in comment section, thereby a regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay, if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group, thereby many students got help. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can, thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.